Kiki. Hi, Kiki. Good job, Kai Kai. Yeah. You want to say hi? Hi. Good job, Kai Kai. Good job. So that's Amaryllis is our little girl. And then this one right here is Snowdrop. And sorry, I'm videoing through the cage here. And then the curious one on the chair is Mistletoe. So no hissing, so that's really good, guys. And look at little Amaryllis. She seems really interesting. She was the first one who came over to see the doggy, to see Kai Kai. And Schnapsy, do you want to come down and say hi? Let me pause it. Good job, Nubby. Good job. Be gentle. Good job, little Schnapsy. No potties in the house. No potties in the house. They don't usually get to go down in the basement because, oh, for some reason, they're getting a little verklempt about Schnaps, but not Kai Kai. All right. Is it because you're blonde? Is it because you're blonde? Is it black dog syndrome and black cat syndrome? All right. Good job, Kikis. I just wanted to see. I'm doing so good. Yeah.